Hi, hello again. It's me, Christine Arquiza Tulio. Originally, I am from the Philippines. I have been living and teaching here in Bali, Indonesia since 2017. I have achieved my bachelor's degree on secondary education major in general science last March 2005 in Zamboanga City, Philippines. And after that, I have been an NCCA Scholar, National Commissions on Culture and the Arts Scholarship Program by the government for the graduate diploma of was this graduate diploma of cultural education, also major in teaching general science last 2015. I have been teaching in Taman Rama School, Denpasar, Bali, Indonesia since 2017, and it's almost a decade right now. I have been teaching general science for grades 7, 8, and 9. And also I'm teaching AS and A level biology for grades 10, chemistry for grades 11, and physics for grades 12. I am looking forward to be a part of your growing community and would love to be a part of your workforce. Thank you very much and have a nice day.